What up YouTube? Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you're doing well. Today I have for you my Allure beauty box for July 2019, and on the box it says HUDA Beauty. And this is one of the reasons I was so happy that I kept this subscription for a couple more months, because I'm really happy about what's inside this box. And I'm getting ready to show you. Inside it says, with passion and purpose, every dream is possible. HUDA CURATED of HUDA Beauty. I don't know if I'm saying her last name right, but so this box or this bag was curated by HUDA. And you guys know that I'm a fan. Here's a picture of her on the pamphlet looking all gorgeous like she always does. And also inside the box there's a cool picture of her. So I think I'll keep this. I like that. So I love it whenever they have boxes curated by somebody, because they have a reason for everything that they choose to put in here, and it's usually cohesive in some way or the other. But like I said, there's a pamphlet with her picture on it, and inside it's got some descriptions and prices and all those things. So I'm going to go through and show you each product. I will swatch for you what is swatchable, and if there are any promo codes I will give those to you as well. So they had a few things outside of the box. I think I'll go ahead and go over them with you. This is what the bag looks like. It's neon pink, so you know I'm all about that. Inside there's a little card that has her pretty face on it from the new nudes. And it says, visit Shop HUDA Beauty for summer's most alluring offer, 25% off. And the code is very long and lengthy. Let's see if I can get this to focus. There we go. And I'm super shaky, I'm sorry. And now let the light come back to me. Let there be light. Alright, this was outside of the box. I should really put all my brushes away before I start something like this, because I hit them every time I touch something on my table. But anyways, this is the first product, and it is the Allure Beauty Box exclusive. It is the HUDA Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Alluring. It says, finally, I've been dying to tell you about the stunning orange red lip color that we created with HUDA Beauty for your July Beauty Box. As in, you can only get this tube of bright matte summer perfection right here. When we first dreamed up the super sexy shade, we made a collage of one of our favorite runway lip trends, and then we passed the baton to Catan. She took our color inspiration to her crackpot team and soon shipped her favorite orange red options to our office. The rest was easy. It took us about a half a second to identify the shade more flattering and eye-catching than any orange red we've ever tried before. So let's go ahead and open this. I like the packaging because, like right there, it looks like there's some lips biting onto the lippy. You can see it better when that's off. And this is the packaging. It says, HUDA Beauty loves Allure. How cute. And this is what the packaging looks like. It says that it doesn't have a retail price on here, I guess because it's an exclusive, and the promo code obviously is the one that I've already shown you. So smells like vanilla, and I'm guessing this is probably going to be a really pretty summer shade, and it is. I like that it's more red than orange, and I'm going to let it dry down and I'll give you a little peep once it's dried down all the way. But it smells really nice, and it feels like a soft formula. It doesn't feel like a super dry and suck your lips off kind of formula, but we'll see how long it takes to dry down and if it fully dries down. This is the product that I was the most excited about, because not last year and not the year before, on my birthday shopping extravaganza, and I know you guys are probably sick to death of hearing those three words, but I wanted to buy these Samantha lashes, and they were out, so I ended up getting, I can't remember the name of the ones that I got, but they're not Samantha. Anyways, it says that these retail for $20. It says it's a HUDA Beauty Classic Lash. These false lashes are one of Cotton's all-time bestsellers, and it's easy to see why. They look dramatic in the box, but when I put them on, they were wispy and pretty. They looked more like fresh lash extensions than a crazy fan of false lashes. So I love these. I love that. What I loved about the other ones that I have is that it does have a rather thick band because it's very sturdy, but it's also very flexible. And once I wore them once, they were molded to my eye, and I have worn them probably 5 times, and I can probably continue to wear them if I take good care of them. So I'm excited about these lashes. Next is the K. Alley Vanilla, and this is just a little sample. I haven't put on any fragrance today, so maybe I'll give it a try and hopefully I'll like it. Oh, you know what it smells like? It smells like warm vanilla sugar from Bath and Body Works. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like warm vanilla sugar from Bath and Body Works, but just a little bit, with a little bit of floral added to it. It says, Cotton and her sister, Mona, launched Kaylee, I guess this is their brand, I didn't know that, Kaylee fragrances together, and the line's velvety vanilla scent is one very decadent perfume. It's like cake batter for the most luxurious wedding cake you've ever seen or smelled. But the blend of tonka and brown sugar is also balanced by amber, vanilla, orchid, and musk that gives it just enough edge. And that's what I meant. It had a little bit of floral and had a little bit of musk. And I love that. And amber. Those are all notes that I really love. So it says you can get a 50 ml for $65, 100 mils for $118. All available at Shop Huda Beauty. Alright, here is the next thing, which is a Hangover RX sample. I like this product. I have it in the full size, but I like it because I can take this when I travel. It's by Too Faced. It says Too Faced Hangover Primer. I used the primer before I went out, and it definitely lived up to its name. I fell asleep in my makeup, and when I woke up, my foundation and highlighter were still intact. So that's what this one gal says. It's $34 in the full size and available at TooFaced.com. Also available, obviously, at Ulta and Sephora and lots of places. Looks like some people got Cabral and some people got a Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil. I got the Hangover RX. I feel like I got the best of the three, or at least the one that I would use the most. Next we have a Way product. It is the Way Texturizing Spray. It retails for $26. You can get it at theway.com, and entering Allure 19 gets you 15% off of your order, valid through September 1st, 2019. It says Jen Atkin, the hairstylist behind Way, is a master of full sultry waves, so it makes perfect sense that her texturizing spray would be the best of its kind, and a lot of others attempt to create beachy bends, but just leave my hair crunchy or exactly the same. This formula gives me pretty soft volume all over. So it's a texturizing hairspray. You guys know I'm a big fan of texturizing sprays. That's what gives my hair any kind of grip, so that it'll stay in a ponytail or a bun, or that it will have any kind of body at all. So I'm going to spray this a little because I want to smell it. Everything by Way that I've had so far. If I can push it down, I don't want to. There we go. I don't know how they keep doing it. All the fragrances that I've smelled from Way are different, but they all smell so clean and fresh, but just pretty and feminine. Nothing that I would not want to smell like all over. So I'm happy to have that. I will give it a shot. You know I will. It's my thing. Texturizing spray is my jam. Alright, next is this ginormous. It's a Tony Moly Intense Care Snail Hydrogel Mask. It says that it retails for $10. Intense Care Snail. You guys, I don't think I've ever used anything snail essence on my face, but people keep saying it's like the best thing ever. It says, I know it sounds gross and sticky, but this sheet mask is infused with snail mucin. The slimy stuff actually, shockingly, feels heavenly on a hot summer day. It's cooling and hydrating and plumps my skin immediately. Plus, there's a real benefit to snail mucin. a popular K-beauty skincare ingredient. It's a complex mix of peptides, antioxidants, glycosaminoglycans, hyaluronic acid, zinc, copper, iron, and manganese, says whoever this person is. You can get it at TonyMoly.us. If you enter Allure 20 at checkout, you'll receive 20% off full price items, valid through August 31st. So I guess I'll be trying some snail essence. It sounds disgusting and gross and disgusting, but I've heard that it does wonderful, beautiful things for your skin. I did also get a scratch off card that has some products on it, and I'm like not even slightly excited about what's on here. Primera water cream, there's some eye masks, some kind of face cream, and it's there's real mascara. So like I didn't get even slightly excited about any of those things, but you know, I'm feeling so happy about the Huda lashes and the Huda lippy that I'm not going to complain a single bit about this bag this month. Alright folks, that is it. That's all. So thank you for joining me for this unboxing. Did you get the same things I got? Was this across the board, or were there, obviously I said there were variations, so did you get what you wanted? Are you excited about the Samantha lashes and the lippy like I am? I think I'll do some kind of look where I wear the lashes and the lip at the same time. I think maybe something reddish from the Jawbreaker palette. I don't know. As you can see, I was doing some playing today with the Juvia's Place palette and You Can Be glitter palette. And that's how I came up with this crazy business. Yeah, I'm feeling good about the eyeshadow. I'm feeling okay about the glitter. The eyelashes feel like they're about to pop off, so if they look like they're about to pop off, that's because they are. They're not wanting to stay where I put them. Alright, here is the dry down on the Huda. It's not transfer proof, so that's good to know because this is not going to be a low maintenance color. But it's not going to dry your lips out all crazy either. So maybe when you know that you're not going to be out and about for 16 years and you can keep an eye on whether it's staying in place or not. But anyways, okay, I'm going to let you guys go for now. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. So until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys.